ProteusDrone is introducing the concept of soft drones, which can alter their body shape, mirroring the legendary shape-shifting sea god, Proteus. Mirko Kovac has secured an ERC Consolidator grant from Horizon Europe to pursue this type of drone innovation. Kovac is associated with both EMPA and Imperial College London, focusing on metamorphic drones designed for complex environments. ERC Consolidator grants offer €2 million over 5 years, supporting researchers with promising track records and exceptional research proposals. These innovative drones can be crucial in observing hard-to-reach environments like the Arctic, providing insights into climate change. Kovac emphasizes the current challenge. While drones excel in aerial observation, they lack capabilities in underwater or surface water data collection. Despite some existing bimodal aerial, aquatic drones, none have efficiently performed a complete mission encompassing air, water, and surface mobility. The project's ambition is to drive scientific progress in mobile robotics, offering technology for robotic sensing in inaccessible aquatic regions. Kovac expresses gratitude for the grant and anticipates a technological leap forward, collaborating with global experts in computer vision and evolutionary biology. One potential application for these drones is sustainability robotics, allowing for data collection in fragile ecosystems to further climate change studies. That's all for today. Remember to subscribe to keep up to date with AI plus military developments.